everybody, welcome back to Rachel and Bella Crafts. Rachel here, I hope you are well. So today we are continuing with our hashtag 100 days RAB challenge, and I believe we are on challenge day 21. Oh, I hope I'm right. I still really should be writing this down in front of me. I'm sure somebody will correct me if I'm wrong. If not, I'll just have to edit it in and talk over it maybe. I don't know. Anyway, so for today, I have brought you another Friday freebie, because you all enjoyed last week so much. And I thought we would do something today with a tag. Oh, sigh of relief, everybody, I hear. Something nice and simple. Well, kind of. Yeah, no, it is. It'll be nice and simple, but it's something slightly different. So, this is on Coffee. If you want to go download it off the Coffee page, say if you just download for free, you just check out with it. It's all yours. If you don't have a printer, go and cut yourself out some tags, and you may want to fussy cut something along the lines of either a flower or a butterfly, and you'll need something that is half the size of your tag. So perhaps make 3 tags and cut one in half. I don't know, but definitely make sure that you craft along. So I have cut mine out already. My colouring is slightly different to this one because I have printed it onto some cream card. So yours shouldn't be this dark. It should be nearer that kind of a colour. Okay, so what I thought we would do was have a little play with some of our hole punches, our punches, that's what they call them, isn't it? Now, and what we're going to do is we're going to make like a kind of specimen card, but inside of the tag, and then we're going to pop a pocket onto it. So you will need some acetate. If you don't have any acetate, it doesn't matter. You can still make the project, just don't put anything in it, but you could put some packaging plastic inside of there. So you know, if you've had a bought bag of stickers or something, oh golly, pretty much everything we crafters buy comes in some of that really thin cellophane plastic, doesn't it? So you could utilize that on the inside if you wanted to pop something on there, but equally you could have nothing in there, and that would be absolutely fine. So don't feel you can't have a go if you don't have what I'm using. Now, I'm having to adapt mine slightly. I didn't intend on the hole being this big, but I used the 3-inch punch because my 2-inch punch I felt didn't go down far enough, and well, anyway, I wanted to use that size one, but ideally I would have liked perhaps one in between, but there we are. I'm just splitting hairs. So cut out your tag, pop a hole into the center of the front. Now, it doesn't matter if your hole is at the top, it doesn't matter if your hole is down the bottom, it doesn't matter if your hole is a circle. It does need really to be the shape so that you can see what we're cutting out. So with the freebie, you've got a couple of butterflies, that one there, and then I've also done a flower for you because I wasn't quite sure what you might like to do. So I'm going to use this butterfly here. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is take the 1 sheet of acetate. I've cut my acetate out so that it will fit into this area here. And then I've got another piece then to go on top, because the back piece I'm going to do some of these sticky transfer things on. So I've got these here. I've peeled some off, because if I don't peel them off, they all come off, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to pop these around the edge just to kind of add a little bit of interest to this acetate, because otherwise it's going to be a bit blank on the background. And hopefully this is going to work. Oh, I hate working with stickers. What do they say? Never work with kids, animals and stickers on live TV. Yep, absolutely right. I'm not quite sure they do actually say that about stickers, but I'm going to add that in there. That's one of my rules. Because whenever I use stickers, I can't get the blinking backs off. Come on, guys. Right, there we go. So I've been out to the cinema this evening. We went to watch a film. Actually, I don't think I do want that one because that's pink, and I'm putting my orange butterfly on there. I was meant to be singing at my choir concert tonight. Boo-hoo. But I evidently have not got the voice for that. There's actually quite a few of us out missing. 2 have got COVID. A couple of us have got these coughs and things. So, yeah, a bit of a blow really, but I've just seen their pickies go up. They've had a good time, so that's the main thing. It's all gone well. So I shall have to make sure I'm well for the next one. So, yeah, we went to the cinema instead and Sat there quiet for 2 hours watching a film. It's the only time we get any peace and quiet. Well, the phone's still going, you know, but I'm able to ignore it in there for a little while anyway, at least. Come out then, there's usually about 10,000 text messages, and it doesn't stop, does it? No. Right, come on. Sorry, guys, I'm trying not to bore you here. Right, okay, so Ruby Rub-Ons. I've only used these ones before. Sorry, guys, I'm shaking you around now, aren't I? And I keep forgetting I've got them there. So I was watching Margaret from Seven Plaza earlier this week, and I noticed she'd had a pack out, and I thought, oh, I got some of those anyway. I must use them up. So, yeah. I've been busy the last 2 days contacting lots of people for our upcoming collaboration for next month, which is going to be very exciting and something a little bit different for you, I hope. Certainly going to get you all thinking anyway. But yeah, right, let's see if this has worked. Oh, here we go. Oh, happy days. I wasn't expecting that to work then. And the next one. Oh, happy days again. Yay. Something's going right. There we are. Oh, love it. I know they look a bit blop, blop, blop around the place, but it's timing. So I can put my butterfly on there now. I think I'm going to just stick it down. I'm looking underneath here for some glue. Excuse me, sorry. There we are. Antibiotics is kicking in tonight, thankfully. Starting to, I feel like I can breathe a little bit now. Felt a bit rough this morning, but as the day's gone on, it's seemed to have eased a bit now, so that's good. Hopefully I'll be back to my normal noisy self. Just in time for son number 2 to return from uni. Now, see, I really should have checked the trajectory of my circle to my images before I stuck those little transfers on, because I've now done that and you can't see half of them. But there we are, never mind. Such is life. I'm not going to start messing about now, but you get the idea. So, if you want to, you could put maybe, I don't know, a bit of script paper behind there or a bit of writing paper. I'm going to leave it blank for now, just so it's nice and clear for you to be able to see. If you do put transfers on, obviously just double check, perhaps bring them in a bit. But for me, the main thing is that my butterfly is in the middle. So I'm going to just stick that down now, so that that's in place. That's not in the middle there then, is it? I'm going to have to stand up a minute, guys, because I can't see when it's down flat. No, that's okay. That's all right. Yeah, we're good. We're good. There we are. Lovely jubbly. Oh. And my eyesight's that bad without my other glasses on. I couldn't even see that the acetate was sticking out there then. Right, so trim down any remaining acetate that you've got left sticking out, just to kind of make sure everything goes where it should be. That's probably way off now. Nicky Nocky no. Add acetate to that list of things to not work with on live TV, okay? No kids, no animals, no transfer stickers, no acetate. I tell you why I don't like working with acetate, it's because I can't blinking see it to cut it. I was trying to cut it out just now and I couldn't see. I had one over the other and I couldn't see the one on the top to get this shape for the other one. So I was like, what? I was like literally trying to feel. I gotta wait until the light bounces off it. Ah, dearie, dearie me. All right, here we go. Okay. It's not perfect, but it's okay. It's okay. Right. You'll have noticed in your freebie that you'll have this little pocket thing here. So I've cut that out ready. Just ink around the edge. and then pop. Now you'll notice the tag I've done writing space on the back of there. But if you'd like, we can turn it into a little pocket as well. So let me get my other glue. Told you like this one, look, nice and easy and simple. Nice weekend task this one is. Now obviously you can take this format and grab your scraps or what have you, make as many of these as you want, and in as many different formats as you like. You can notch the top of that if you want to. I don't particularly want to, I'm going to leave mine as it is. And the only thing left for me to do now, I actually quite like the how I might stick that on the front. The only thing left for me to do now is to pop a little tab on the top. Right, so all that's left for me to do now is just put a little tabby thing on the top. So I've got a bit of sorry stuff here, so I'm going to just use a bit of that. Do you know, I looked everywhere for this yesterday. I just found it in one of the little pots on my desk. Really need to tidy this room up tomorrow. I know whether I'll get that far, but the thought is there. Whether it'll come to anything, I don't know, but the thought is there. Right, I'm going to just staple that on, I think. Just for ease of not faffing. Here we go. There's going to be another feet in itself. Right in the middle, please. Okay, there we go. There's our little tag. See, I told you it'd be an easy project. You can't get easier than that, really, can you? And I think that looks really cute. If you use transfers, don't fluff them up and stick them too far out of the edge. Make sure that your design is in the centre, unlike mine, which is slightly off. Perhaps he's flying away. Perhaps he's going to look for the flowers that I've hidden up around the edge. Who knows? But I've put a little cutout there. So there's a little pocket on the front. And then we've got a pocket on the back. Oh, I love it. Fabulous. That's it, guys. That's all you need from me today. I'd like you to go away now and make yourself a beautiful tag with a lovely, beautiful inlay, whatever image you like, and then just share it on the page. And on top of that, most importantly, guys, have a wonderful weekend. I shall see you all very soon. Take care now. Bye-bye.